City dump. Boy Scout Canyon off in the distance. Helicopter tour. Hoover Dam power lines. New bridge in the middle of nowhere. How much that cost? Nice bridge. Rifle range. It just opened. Indian Point. Freeway screwed up all the old roads around here. Property. See that there are the gypsum beds. See these muddy formations here, muddy creek formations, are the silts and clays of the old Pleistocene lake, where it's eroded away. And down there are manganese oxide beds, manganese ore mixed in with the evaporates, the gypsum beds. Go take a look at the gypsum, see if we can see some. It's a black area over there. Black gypsum, black manganese. Cool cliffs. Muddy Creek, Pleistocene lake deposits. Let's go over here. This is a motorcycle riding area. I think everywhere is. Eken action camera. Testing it out here. Now we're lost. That's Boy Scout Canyon down to the river down there, Colorado River. Let's just walk over this way. Frisbee. Flying Finley Volkswagen. little breezy today. I tested this microphone. I guess it's over on this side. See if that helps. Pretty breezy. 10-mile-an-hour breeze. And there's some gypsum. See it shining there? Right there. This is an evaporate from the old Pleistocene lake beds here. Wow. I think these manganese beds are caused by these were laid down in the Pleistocene, which is much later than those basalt lava flows you see out there. It could have been the hot springs from the lava rocks. There's hot springs down there today along the river. It probably brought up the manganese with the spring water. Hot springs, some sort around here. I guess all that shiny stuff is gypsum. And the old salty lake beds. Yeah, this is the lake beds that went from here over in the Las Vegas Valley all the way up to Virgin River area. Wow. Is that a hunk of manganese? Jeez, that's a heavy piece of basalt. Wow. There's a little lizard. I haven't been in there. Look at that. A lot of gypsum. Huh. Yeah, see how it's evaporated? I don't think it's been pushed out of shape. Well, the whole lake bed's been raised from. Otherwise, you don't have lakes up on top of mountains like this. But it doesn't seem to be tilted. Looking at those bed layers, they're pretty level. What do you call dipped? Whatever the geologists call their strikes and dips. This is a greasewood, creosote bush. Look at there, there's a gall. A lot of these greasewoods have those galls on them. Maybe it's a wasp, I don't know. And all these green bushes are creosote bushes, greasewood, whatever you call it. Yeah, they grow right in this gypsum. These things will grow anywhere. Maybe we'll go down in that canyon and look at the basalts. Show you the basalts. Yeah, the whole Miocene, Tertiary age of these rocks are like, I don't know, Pleistocene was, I'd say 3 million years ago. It's the same volcanics, like rhyolites or something. There's a volcanic peak over there, so there's volcanoes, another volcano, or that might be an eroded lava flow like all these other basalt lavas. But those are much older than these lake beds. A lot of gypsum. Surface of Mars. It's good, I don't know, 50, 60 feet of manganese ore out here. Looking at the elevation of the ore body. How do I get out of here? I'm going to turn it off before I break a leg. Windscreen on. Onward to Boy Scout Canyon basalt.